Hey guys, it's me, Winter Wolfie, and I'm gonna show you my dogs and my cats and dog. So I have like 4 cats, little baby kitties, and 1 dog. So yeah, let's start. First, I'm gonna show you my cats, but I must be quiet. Okay, I'm here, and I have to get here. This black and white is Momcilo. This rainbow is Mica. Die, Momcilo. Look at me. Okay, that's all, and sorry for my dog. And yeah, everyone is cute. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe me, and I will subscribe you back. Don't forget it. I'm always saying that. And if I promise something, I do that. So yeah. Bye.